Around 1,700 years ago, an event took place on the land of Rome, an event that proved to the world that the flame of truth never dies, no matter how fierce the winds of oppression may be. This is the story of Father Sipherinus, a kind-hearted, soft-spoken man who had unwavering faith in God, and of a king, a ruler so drunk with power he forgot his creator. In one of Rome's great cities, Thessalus, King Castro Valentus reigned with an iron fist. He enforced idol worship, and anyone who refused faced prison, torture, or death. In that same city lived Father Sipherinus. Every day in his place of worship, he preached the truth. He spoke of the oneness of God, and he warned people against idolatry. People listened to him with their hearts, for his words carried knowledge, and his actions radiated light. But the king could not tolerate this. One day, he issued a decree. On the day of Mars, all must bow before the god of war. Those who refuse will be imprisoned or burned at the stake. Father Sipherinus stood firm. I bow only before the Lord of the heavens and the earth. The moment he uttered these words, soldiers stormed the house of worship. They burned the sacred scriptures and chained the priest, dragging him to the royal palace. The king threatened him, "Bow to me, and I will give you a palace of gold. Refuse, and not even your bones will remain." But the priest calmly replied, "The one who honored me is the king of all kings. Your palaces are worth less than dust before my Lord." Thus began a reign of terror, so brutal it made the heavens weep. The priest was starved, whipped daily, and each day asked the same question, "Will you bow now?" And each time he replied, "No, I bow only to Allah." Outside the prison was a young orphan girl, Lydia, raised by the priest himself. Every night, she would secretly leave food for him. Seeing her tears, he would say, "Daughter, don't cry. These wounds are the jewels of my faith." Meanwhile, the king's most loyal commander, Marcus, witnessed the priest's patience and resilience, and his heart began to tremble. One night, Marcus came to the prison and asked, "You are hungry, wounded, yet why is there peace on your face?"